I just recorded a whole trade recap without recording the record button. Holy shit, that's annoying. Oh, let's do it. Anyways, so session from yesterday was still. Are we recording? Yes. Session from yesterday was continuing bullish, right? Yeah, it's still bullish. It hasn't turned bearish off of any big sweeps. Nothing yet. And straight away from open, it comes, takes these equal lows, and on ES just grabs these little bottoms of this little range here, like this little range, grabs that bottom, and then sweeps. And then I missed this position because I was at dinner, and I was talking about this yesterday. I'm gonna fix this. So like, dinner always occurs during session, and it's not good. Because there's a position every single session and I miss it. Potentially sometimes it's because of dinner, so. And today it was. Let me show you. So, we get the sweep. Oh fuck. We get the breaker structure right. We get a breaker structure on this 25-minute candle, right? And then before the breaker structure there are little fair value gaps respected, but on the 26-minute fair value gap gets created. On the 30-minute, so on this minute, on the close of this candle, that breaker structure candle would have closed, and we see breaker structure. And then on the very next candle we get the respect of this fair value gap, and this is the closest fair value gap to the liquidity. So we in that bitch. Stops either at this low or just down here, or at this low, whatever. Shoot for the order block, and taps beautifully. "17-minute position, calm shit." And then once it tapped this order block here, I was just done for the night. I was like, okay, miss the position. Fucking annoying, but we go next. Blah 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 blah. But then the next closest fair value gap to the sweep actually gets tapped perfectly. And I had this fair value gap plotted out like here, and I was looking for the respect right here at this moment. Same with this. I was looking for it to come here, but then it didn't, and then when it tapped order block I stopped watching. But I just seen, look at the perfect respect. And even if I didn't want to get in on the respect of that, just because it's a tiny fair value gap, inversed right away. Just sexy. So nice. And would I get in on this position? Yes, because we have the overall bullish trend. Because sometimes when it hits the order block, it will then turn, right? But we have the overall bullish trend, which, as you can see, has run and it's still bullish. You have the overall bullish trend. We have the inverse of the 5-minute, like really well. It's a strong inverse. 2 candles, 1, 2. Strong inverse, always good to see. And price likes to do that. It will come back and respect the closest fair value gap to the sweep after the breaker structure. It will come back and respect it. Like, because that's my entries, and they're there. And as you can see. But I guess Once this one was respected, it was this one, and then boom. And because we have the trend, it's a high percentile position. Fuck, that's really good to see. And then you could just shoot for this order block. And if you didn't want to get in off of just disrespect, that's fair because it's a bit sketch. Just get in on the inverse, sexy inverse. And it's so like, yeah, fucking markets love this shit because it creates an inverse fair value gap, or a fair value gap to be inversed, literally at the sweeping point, so you can get in right there. It's so, fuck, it's lovely. That's it. I can't believe I didn't record this before. This is my second attempt, so that's fine. I'm gonna figure out the dinner, and then we're gonna fucking execute. Because there is one position every single session, pretty much. So I'm not trying to miss it. Ever. So yeah.